Hello everybody, it's Namya and I'm back with a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make hospital beds in Artist Lab. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to use nested loops. And the meaning of nested loops is a loop inside another loop. There's also a story that goes along with it, and this is how it goes. So once there was a global pandemic in the whole world, and we are the chief architect of the country. We are responsible for making 20 hospital beds in every single community. 5 for the children, 5 for the babies, 5 for the adults, and 5 for the elderly. So let's get started. First, don't forget to sign in. And you see this create button? Click on that. And you see this artist? Click on that. Before we start, don't forget to rename the project as Hospital Beds. Then save. After this, you see this action button. Click on that and bring out a move forward. Actually, before we do that, go to actions again and get this jump to 0 over 0 and place it right above the move forward. And then it place 20 over 20. Now you can make one single bed. First, you just move forward, go in here and put in move forward 25 pixels. And then go back in action and take a turn right and put 90. Then go in loops and get a repeat blank times. And then put the turn right and move forward inside the repeat loop and put repeat times 2. And also we have to get move move forward 50 pixels and then turn right again by 90. So that is our first bed. And then we're going to take another repeat loop and place it here. Now put this repeat loop inside it. This is a nested loop. Now you're going to go back in actions and get this jump forward and place it here. Because of the pandemic, you have to place them like separated from each other, and to do that, you have to use this. So now we got a full row. Now go back in action, get a jump forward, and instead of that, put a jump backward by 400 pixels. So go back to the beginning. Then we needed to turn right by 90 degrees and then jump forward 100 degrees. After that, we had to go back in actions and take a turn left by 90 degrees. So now we jumped to the second row and it turned 90 degrees. Now we're gonna make the we need like 4 rows. So now we're gonna make it. So we're gonna make like all 4 rows. So we place this repeat loop here. We put this in here, and here we're gonna put 4 for 4 rows. Now we are going to change the color. We're going to change the color of the beds for each row because we need like a different color for the babies, children's, adults, and elderlies. So you see this brushes? Click on that and drag the set color to random color out. Place under here, and there we have our hospital beds. So now let's check and see if it's correct. Let's run. Our project hospital was a success. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.